Okay, so you've gotten your book all set up on IngramSpark and you are good to go. It's been approved. It's showing up on the status available for printing download. Everything is perfect and ready to go. So how do you order your own copies of it? You log into your IngramSpark account and this is what your dashboard is going to look like. I actually have it down a little bit lower on the screen, but this is the main part of your dashboard. If you click on this part right here, it will take you into the details of your book. Or you can go into order, convert to ebook if you would like to have them do that for you, promote, or edit. So today we're looking at order. You're going to click right into order and you will be able to choose how many copies you want to order. And it's going to show you the unit selling price. You'll be able to order how you want it sent to you, the shipping speed, all of that kind of stuff, and where you want it printed from. So obviously if you're in Australia or Europe, you're going to change that, but the default is set in US dollars, or that may be default on wherever your home country is. So you just click in all the information as required. You should have a credit card on file, and boom, that is how you place an order on IngramSpark.